Hey, we are doing a fun family adventure day today. What are we doing, guys?
Going to a farm.
We're gonna get some fresh vegetables, some yummy stuff for us to eat, and especially just even take some pictures with some pumpkins and look at some animals. I think they have a camel, I heard. There is a camel? Let's go find it. You put your face in there, little guy? Oh, there's Hallie. We're gonna do one at a time. I'll take a picture of you guys. Okay? You ready? Smile!
Cheese!
This is where you take, it's called Stuff the Scarecrow. You take all that stuff, yep, and you shove it in there. Good job, Zeeks. Gotta make, yeah, you might need to button up that guy's shirt a little bit. This is going to be allergy heaven, I think, for our kids. They get croup and stuff from straw and mold, but we'll just, I don't know, give them a good bath tonight. Hopefully they'll be okay. All right, you guys gonna be okay? There you go. Mom's fixing that one for you, Zeeks. You gonna make a bracelet, Hallie? Yeah, look. They're making one right here. That's cool. What are you putting on there, big guy?
These bells.
What are they? Are you putting on some jingle bells? Is that what those are?
Yeah. Yep.
Oh. Can you do that, Hallie? Need help? Can you do it? Let me see. Yeah, good job. What's yours looking like, Hannah?
I put jingle bells color of when it says only green, white, and red.
Oh, that's
green,
cool.
white, and
Hallie,
red.
do you need some help, baby? Let me help you a little bit, okay? Zeke. Look, this guy wants to be petted too, I think. See? Yeah, he's nice. I feel a little rough though. They don't. Kind of makes my fingers feel dirty. What do you think of this, big guy? Oh, here's a sheep. Come to say hi to you, Toby. You like him? What's over here?
Donkey.
A donkey. Hey, donkey. So is that kind of like what Mary wrote over? Mary and Joseph?
Daddy, look! It's making a circle.
It is. Why do you think it's doing that?
Maybe.
Is it going to jump into it? You think? It doesn't fit into that circle, does it? What's it doing? It's silly. What's in there, Zeke?
Bunnies are sleeping.
The bunnies? Look at the little bunnies!
Bunnies are sleeping.
Can't even see them in there.
Hi, buddy.
Oh, there they are. They're back in there, aren't they? Hallie, come here, baby. We're going to look at some llamas. You want to see some llamas? There they are, llamas! Here, come here. Let's look at this sign over here, because this sign's really important. It really is. Watch, look at this. That sign says, caution, camel bites hard, okay? So let's look at him, but we probably shouldn't put our fingers in there because apparently he likes to bite. And he bites hard, okay? So let's just look at him. The big camel.
Yeah, don't be too close. Don't be too close.
Oh, he's okay. I'm not putting my fingers in there. Hello, Mr. Camel. How are you today? Well, yeah, no, he looks kind of dirty too. So what should we say to the camel?
Bye.
Bye? Or hi?
Bye.
Bye, you don't like him? Mommy's not a big fan of camels. She's not a big fan of you, Mr. Camel. What do you think? He's just like, I'm gonna drink my water. Kind of crazy how many different exotic animals this place has. I mean, we saw the llama, saw the camels, saw a peacock.
Ostrich.
And what is this thing now? An ostrich. You know, those things can run super. Actually, is that an ostrich? It looks more like an emu. Do you know the difference between an ostrich and an emu?
No.
I am clearly not educated enough, but we will, because one of the benefits of homeschooling is that we end up learning this stuff along with the kids sometimes.
Daddy,
what?
did you hear meh?
Yeah, I heard that sheep. Sheep going meh.
There you go.
You gonna feed him, Hannah?
Yeah.
Are they eating from you guys?
Hi.
Are they?
Yes. Gotcha.
Yeah?
Here, you want some? You want some, guys? Look, you want some? You want some? You want some? You want some? You want some?
You want some?
Yeah.
You want some? Hallie, you're so cute. Oh, Hannah, you getting us some food too?
I have a big crowd over here.
Mmm.
He's gonna find it. He's gotta, oh, he has to smell it. Don't jerk,
Zeke.
okay? Don't jerk.
Do you like that?
He says, where is it? They're gonna smell it. See? He didn't bite you.
Yay.
Come here, Hallie. Give me your hand.
Are you picking up the food off the ground and giving it to him to stuff the other kids dropped?
Okay, come here.
We're too cheap to buy food for our kids to feed themselves. There you go,
Good
Hallie.
job.
Aww.
You wanna do it?
Got some more?
Put it in the palm of your hand. Don't jerk. They're gonna smell it and lick your hand trying to get it, okay? You gotta get them closer. I'm gonna pull your arm off. Put it down so they can get it.
Baby!
Get closer, babe.
Baby!
That's silly. Is it your turn, big guy? Are they coming to say hi to you? Oh, you gonna give him a hug? I got you. Oh, Toby. Watch your fingers, big guy. Oh. Is that so much fun, Topes? You're such a cute little guy.
Whoa! And you're
down
down.
he goes.
Big, help him up. Come on, stand up, please.
This is a good big brother, right? There you go. Get him, Tubbs. Yeah, he liked the animals. You like him, Toby? Oh, so cute. Give him a big hug, Tubbs. Give him a hug. Give him a hug, Toby.
Toby, you like the animals?
I like holding Toby. he likes him.
You like being out of the stroller. You don't like that.
Yeah, even if he's not running around, I still got you. I'm so happy. that fun, guys? Oh, looks like you're ready to go on a tractor ride. Hannah, what was your favorite part?
Getting my face paint.
Yeah, that was yours? And Zeke, what was your favorite part?
That was my only thing I ever wanted to do here.
Yeah. And what was Mommy's favorite part?
Find food.
Find food.
Actually, watching the kids feed the sheep, that was
Oh yeah, that was pretty fun.
Yeah.
I think it's probably my favorite too. That and giving my Hallie some kisses. Mwah. That's pretty fun too.
My favorite part
I don't even know what you just said. You like feeding the animals? Is that what you said? Okay. So Dana got really tired. We dropped her off at home with Toby. Her belly was starting to hurt. She just wanted to rest.
Spider
Yep.
and Buddy Quest.
Yeah, nice shirt though, guy.
I have a Buddy Quest.
So the kids got these coupons for reading really well for this summer, and they expire in a few days for free kids meal at Chipotle, which you guys have never eaten at Chipotle before. So is Hallie awake yet?
Yeah. Yeah.
Hallie, are you awake? She fell asleep. So we are gonna wake up Hallie back there, and we're gonna go in and eat just the 3 of us, or 4 of us. Whew, that was a lot of work to get all the kids down, but we did it. Hallie, you getting ready? And Zeke, Hannah, your first time at Chipotle? They wanted to sit by the window, didn't you? That looks good, guys. I had to teach them how to make a taco, right? Zeke, you're doing a good job. You take all your stuff, you dump them in each one, and then you fold it up and eat it. Or are you gonna eat it like a pizza? How you're gonna do it? You eat them all at once, huh? Yeah, did you figure it out? You got it? There you go. She fell and hit her nose. Yeah, that was actually while I was in Colorado, so I wasn't here for that. I just came back and saw it. Yeah. Is it good? Yummy? Yeah? We get to sit in front of the cool window, huh? And look outside. Are you tired, Hallie? She's not eating, she's just laying here on me. Love you, baby. You didn't eat much of your food though. Are you gonna finish eating? Or are you just gonna rest on Daddy? I think I should rest on Daddy. We're home. How are you feeling?
Worn out.
A hard day of running around the farm?
Just no breaks. I didn't have any time of resting in between, so.
Oh. Well, hope you feel better. What do you do on your phone when you hang out here for so long?
On Instagram.
Alright, well, our kids are getting ready for bed. Are you guys getting ready for bed?
Yeah. We're reading books and then we might go to bed.
Yeah, you guys get a little rest time and then it's time to go to bed. So why don't you guys say goodnight, YouTube?
Good night, YouTube.
Hallie, say goodnight, YouTube.
Good night, YouTube.
Say, you're the coolest.
You're content.
Good night. High five.
I got all of these ones from today and 2 more because they ran out of paper and had to replace it. And then yesterday I got this all the way. Oh man, I can't even hold it up off of the ground.